Service Entrance Cable Part 2. Service entrance, or SE cables, are used for services. SER and SEU are two common types of SE cables. The service entrance cable is the conductor assembly that runs from the service supply through the meter socket and onto the primary disconnecting means. The home inspector should become familiar with the common service cable sizes for both copper and aluminum, their ampacity, and wire size. Type SE style SEU service entrance cable is primarily used to convey power from the service drop to the meter base and from the meter base to the distribution panel board when the main disconnect is installed at the main panel board. SEU is an unarmored service electrical 3-wire cable with 2 conductors and a neutral. SEU typically has an oval shape because the stranded neutral conductor wraps around the cable to create an oval shape. SEU cable has a neutral conductor but does not have a grounding conductor. Since neutral conductors and grounding conductors are connected at the point of service disconnect, SEU cables can only be used up to the service disconnect to avoid significant safety concerns. SER is a round service electrical 4-wire cable that typically has up to 4 conductors and a bare neutral. The cable is designed to be used in feeder panels and branch circuits. SER cables are equipped with neutral and grounding conductors, which makes them perfect for use after the service disconnect. Conductor materials. Service entrance conductors, like all others, are made from either copper or aluminum. Aluminum conductors need to be sized larger than copper ones for any given amperage. Aluminum terminations may also be coated with an antioxidant to prevent corrosion, although the more recent AA 8000 aluminum alloy conductors do not require it. The manufacturer may or may not recommend antioxidants. Service entrance conductor ampacity. Please refer to the table within the course that shows the common cable sizes for both copper and aluminum, together with their ampacity and wire size. 100 amp to 400 amp services are based on 3-wire 100 or 240 volt systems. Increasing gauge numbers provides decreasing wire diameters. For example, when the diameter of a wire is doubled, the AWG decreases by 6. The AWG sizes are for single, solid, round conductors. The AWG of a stranded wire is determined by the total cross-sectional area of the conductor, which determines the current carrying capacity and electrical resistance. The stranded wire is about 5% larger in overall diameter than a solid wire of the same AWG. AWG equals American wire gauge, also known as the Brown and Sharp wire gauge. It's a standardized wire gauge system used in the US and Canada. AWG is referred to as a gauge, and the zeros in large wire sizes are referred to as aught. Wire sized 1 AWG is referred to as 1 gauge, or number 1 wire. Smaller diameter wires are called X gauge or number X wires, where X is the positive integer AWG number. Number O, written 1/O, is referred to as 1/aught wire. 2/O is referred to as 2/aught, and so on. kcmil. This wire size is the equivalent cross-sectional area in thousands of circular mils. A circular mil is the area of a circle with a diameter of 1/1000th of an inch. In North America, conductors larger than 4/aught AWG are typically identified in kcmil.